Welcome to Melbourne, Australia's largest city. In a historic shift, Melbourne has surpassed Sydney to become Australia's largest city, marking a significant milestone in the country's urban landscape. This seismic demographic change reflects not only Melbourne's rapid growth, but also its emergence as a vibrant cultural and economic hub. Nestled along the picturesque banks of the Yarra River, Melbourne stands as a beacon of diversity, culture and innovation in the heart of Australia. As the country's largest city, Melbourne boasts a rich tapestry of experiences, from its vibrant art scene and world-class dining to its stunning architecture and sprawling green spaces. Welcome to a city where every corner tells a story, and every moment is filled with possibility. Melbourne's allure lies in its dynamic blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. Wander through its bustling laneways, where hidden cafes, boutiques and street art installations await discovery at every turn. Marvel at the architectural marvels that grace the city skyline, from the iconic Flinders Street station to the cutting-edge designs of Federation Square. For culture enthusiasts, Melbourne is a veritable playground. Immerse yourself in the performing arts at the renowned Melbourne Arts Precinct, home to the Melbourne Theatre Company, the Australian Ballet and the Melbourne Symphony Orchestra. Explore the city's thriving arts scene at galleries such as the National Gallery of Victoria and the Australian Centre for Contemporary Art, where masterpieces old and new come to life. No visit to Melbourne would be complete without sampling its culinary delights. From hole-in-the-wall eateries serving up authentic international cuisine to award-winning restaurants helmed by top chefs, Melbourne is a food lover's paradise. Indulge in a culinary journey through the city's diverse neighbourhoods, from the Italian trattorias of Lygon Street to the trendy brunch spots of Fitzroy. For those seeking outdoor adventures, Melbourne offers plenty of opportunities to get back to nature. Take a leisurely stroll through the Royal Botanic Gardens, where lush greenery and colourful blooms provide a serene escape from the urban bustle. Or head to the nearby Dandenong Ranges for a hike through ancient forests and panoramic views of the city below. As the sun sets over Melbourne, the city comes alive with energy and excitement. Explore its vibrant nightlife scene, where rooftop bars, live music venues and chic cocktail lounges beckon with promises of unforgettable evenings. Or simply wander along the South Bank Promenade, where the lights of the city dance upon the waters of the Yara River. In conclusion, Melbourne is more than just Australia's largest city. It's a vibrant mosaic of culture, creativity and endless possibilities. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveller, Melbourne welcomes you with open arms and invites you to experience the magic of Australia's cultural capital. So come, explore and discover all that Melbourne has to offer. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed the video, we'd love to hear your thoughts and travel recommendations in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more exciting content from iTraveller.